extremely joyous affair. It brings with it a birthday, an anniversary, and a whole lot of family and friends meeting right through the month. Now, though Christmas being as joyous as it can be quite a taxing affair, ensuring that you have the right kind of food laden on your table. In my Joyful Christmas series, I'm going to teach you tips, tricks, and hacks on how to create a perfect meal. Various different styles, may it be an appetizer, may it be a main course, may it be desserts, or the famed sweetmeats that go along with Christmas. This Joyful Christmas series is definitely going to make you ride the entire Yuletide season coming out as a star. From our house to yours, let's get on the perfect journey on having a very, very Merry Christmas.